Are you tired of the same old gadgets and looking for something new and exciting? Look no further. In this video, we bring you 12 of the coolest gadgets available on Amazon that are guaranteed to blow your mind. From futuristic devices to handheld wonders, we've got it all. So sit back, relax and be prepared to discover the latest and greatest in tech. Let's get started. The BlueLed is a unique and innovative product that combines the functionality of a suitcase and an RC toy car. With its joystick controller, it's the world's first smart suitcase, perfect for traveling in groups. By placing your bags and the backpacks of your friends on the suitcase, you can easily roll them next to you. It has a long battery life, providing up to 6 hours of use on a single charge. The battery can also be replenished if the suitcase is rolled manually or if it goes downhill. The maximum speed of the suitcase is 13 kilometers per hour, and the wheels are designed to rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to maneuver. In addition to its functionality as a suitcase, it also features 2 USB ports, allowing you to charge your smartphone while on the go. This is a truly revolutionary product that has been thoughtfully designed with the user in mind. While the BlueLed may not be the cheapest product on the market, with a price tag of $400, it's a worthwhile investment for those who value convenience and innovative design. The Canon Snap Concept is a new and innovative device that promises to make capturing memories easier and more convenient. With a built-in camera, users can take pictures quickly and easily without having to pull out their smartphone, turn it on and set it up. The ring's compact size and portability make it an ideal solution for capturing spontaneous moments. In addition, the mini screen allows users to check their photos right after they have taken them, making it even more convenient. The device's simplicity and ease of use are sure to appeal to both amateur and professional photographers. The fact that it is decorated with the famous Canon logo is a testament to the company's commitment to quality and innovation. Overall, the Canon Snap Concept is an intriguing device that has the potential to revolutionize the way people take photos. The price of this device has not been specified in the description. The COALAX is a unique and innovative heating pad that was created through a Kickstarter project. According to the creators, this pad is designed to help keep you warm when it's cold outside and your hands become too cold to comfortably use your phone or do other important things. One of the standout features of the COALAX is its quick heating time, taking only 3 seconds to warm up. It also has a long battery life, providing up to 14 hours of warmth on a single charge. The heating pad has 3 temperature settings, 37, 45, and 52 degrees Celsius, and the insulation material used is even more effective than natural goose down. Another great feature of the COALAX is its versatility. Not only does it work as a heating pad, but it also doubles as a bag, with a special pocket for your smartphone to keep it warm as well. The COALAX weighs 720 grams and has a clever strap system that makes it convenient to wear, even when fishing or hunting. The COALAX is not a cheap product, with a price tag of $100. However, for those looking for a reliable and convenient way to stay warm during cold weather, it may be worth the investment. Would you purchase the COALAX heating pad for $100? The Dobot Magician is a user-friendly robotic arm that promises to make coding accessible for people of all ages, especially children. With a load capacity of 500 grams and accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 millimeters, this arm is capable of performing tasks like writing, drawing, engraving, and printing 3D objects. The creators have made it compatible with various programming languages including C++ and Python, and have even included a visual programming mode for beginners, allowing them to simply stack blocks of code to achieve their desired result. The arm's ease of use is further demonstrated by its ability to remember and repeat trajectories when moved manually. The kit comes with 13 extension ports and various accessories like grips and vision modules, making it a versatile tool for various projects. While the Dobot Magician does come with a hefty price tag of $1,700, it's an investment in the future of coding education, especially for young students. With its user-friendly interface and versatility, this robotic arm is sure to spark an interest in coding and robotics, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to explore these fields. The Dodow sleep aid device is a simple and effective solution for those who struggle with insomnia and lack of sleep. According to a study conducted in the UK, only 11% of respondents get enough sleep, and stress is the most popular reason for this lack of sleep. However, only 1 in 5 people try to remedy the situation. The Dodow sleep aid device offers a simple solution to this problem. The device works by projecting a flashing halo of light on the ceiling, and the user just has to breathe in time with the light. The creators of the device claim that customers who used to spend an hour falling asleep will now only take 25 minutes, leading to an extra 100 hours of sleep per year. The Dodow sleep aid device is priced at $60, which may seem expensive, but for those who value their sleep and are looking for an effective solution to their sleep problems, it may be a worthwhile investment. The DorStopper SPRING promises to be the only doorstop you'll ever need. The creators of this product justify its $16 price tag by claiming it's easy to install on various household surfaces such as parquet, tile, linoleum, etc. It's compatible with doors up to 6.5 centimeters thick and has the ability to gently hold even fragile glass doors. The space needed between the door and the floor ranges from 2.5 to 30 millimeters. The DorStopper SPRING is made of reinforced plastic, making it durable and long-lasting. It's impressive that the creators managed to raise over $22,600 via Kickstarter for this product. The DorsiFLEX is a patented device designed for effective workouts for your feet and shins. It is not limited to athletes and can be used by anyone who spends a lot of time standing. The device also claims to help with common problems such as plantar fasciitis, which is one of the leading causes of heel pain. The unique design of the device features special plates that tilt up to 50 degrees vertically and 55 degrees horizontally, allowing the foot to be positioned optimally for exercise. With a maximum load capacity of 159 kilograms, users can expect to see results within a few weeks. The device comes with a price tag of $120. The Eachine E110 helicopter drone is a fun and interesting toy for those who enjoy flying and capturing images from above. With a built-in camera, this 23-centimeter long drone can stay in the air for up to 15 minutes and reach speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour. It features automatic return to the starting point and first-person smartphone control, making it easy to use and navigate. Despite its lightweight design, the drone is also built to withstand drizzling rain and wind gusts up to 10 meters per second. With the ability to capture images in 720p, you can share your adventures with friends and family. At a price of $88, the Eachine E110 is an affordable option for anyone looking to expand their personal fleet of mini vehicles. The LaserPecker is a compact engraver that is controlled by a smartphone and is a fun product for those who enjoy unique gifts. It can be used on materials such as leather, wood, fabric, cardboard, and even food, making it a versatile device. Despite its small size, weighing only 170 grams, there are some limitations to what it can engrave, such as metal, glass, plastic, or stone. One of the great features of the LaserPecker is its portability, as it is tripod-mounted and measures 6.6 by 6 centimeters. It also supports popular image formats such as JPEG and PNG, and has a maximum engraving size of 100 by 100 millimeters. According to buyer reviews, the LaserPecker is great for beginners, but it may be slow to work. The price is $259, which some may consider to be reasonable for a device with such capabilities. Overall, the LaserPecker is a unique and fun gadget that is perfect for those who enjoy personalized gifts and creative projects. Just keep in mind its limitations and the slower engraving speed before making a purchase. The NEBO Slim Plus is a versatile and practical flashlight that features a built-in laser pointer. Whether you need it in the office, while camping, on construction sites, or in your garage, this compact yet powerful light source is sure to come in handy. One of the standout features of the NEBO Slim Plus is its versatility, as it comes with a removable magnetic clip, a hook, and a magnet base, allowing you to attach it to clothes, furniture, or appliances. In terms of battery life, the flashlight can last for 1.5 hours at maximum brightness, 6 hours at minimum brightness, and even up to 20 hours if you only use it as a pointer. Weighing only 113 grams, the NEBO Slim Plus is easy to carry with you wherever you go. At a price of $45, it offers great value for its compact size and practicality. The Saker Multifunction Foldable Level is a unique construction tool that offers convenience and versatility. By making a traditional construction level long and foldable, the manufacturer has created a product that can be sold for $44. This level is made of high-quality materials, including aluminum profile, ABS plastic, and thermoplastic rubber, which make it durable and long-lasting. This tool is a masterpiece of engineering and unfolds from 15 centimeters to 71, making it easy to use in a variety of settings. It also weighs 620 grams, which makes it portable and easy to carry with you. The Saker Multifunction Foldable Level is equipped with 4 blue vials that provide a clear and precise measurement, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor jobs. According to the manufacturer, the Saker Multifunction Foldable Level is designed to provide a wonderful and joyful experience for those who use it for measurements and calibration. The manufacturer's idea is simple: to create convenient and easy-to-use tools that make life easier. Overall, the Saker Multifunction Foldable Level is a great investment for anyone who is looking for a versatile and easy-to-use construction tool. Whether you are a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this level will simplify your work and make your projects easier to complete. The Boom Rotating Magic Cube is a popular fidget toy that has captured the attention of both real and virtual stores. In June 2017, a Chinese fidget spinner was the most popular mobile game according to App Annie. Even today, fidget toys like the Boom Rotating Magic Cube are still selling well. This particular toy is unique in its design, resembling a small gas cylinder, and offers a variety of functions, including assembly, disassembly, rotation, clicking, and more. The toy also includes titanium beads, magnets, and bright colors, making it both fun and visually appealing. However, the price of this toy is somewhat steep, with manufacturers charging as much as $110. Despite this, the Boom Rotating Magic Cube is still a popular choice among those looking for a fun and engaging fidget toy. Weighing only 79 grams, this toy is also very lightweight, making it easy to carry around with you. Overall, the Boom Rotating Magic Cube is a great option for those who enjoy fidget toys and are looking for a fun and engaging toy to play with.